Good morning, class 4th class. This is your English language book, and today we'll complete worksheet number 6 and 7. So, firstly, we complete worksheet number 6, which is based on pronouns. Okay. So, the first question is fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns from brackets. Class, in this question, you have two options and you have to choose the correct one. Just like number first, this is Mary. Dash, her, she is from Chennai. Options are her or she. So here you will fill she. She is from Chennai. Next, Max's best friend is Rajesh. Dash, they, theirs always play together. So what do you fill here? They or theirs? You will fill they. They always play together. Next, Rahul is upset because dash him could not come to the picnic with dash we or us. So in first blank, what do you fill? He or him? You fill he. Okay. And in second blank, what do you fill? We or us? You fill us. Okay. Next, do dash yours you know when dash me fell asleep last night. So in first blank, what do you fill? Yours or you? You fill you. Okay. Do you know when? And in second option, second blank, I or me? Here you will fill I. When I fell asleep last night. Next question. I will ask dash him his to return my bag. So what do you fill here? Him or his? You fill him. Okay. I will ask him to return my bag. He is a very good friend of dash us or ours. Okay. So here you will fill us. Okay. He is a very good friend of us. Next. Don't touch the cup. Dash it is hot. So here you will fill it. Okay, it is hot. I don't have a pencil. Please lend me one of dash yours or you. Here you will fill yours. Okay. Next, which of these books is dash theirs them? You fill here theirs. This ring is dash he or his. You fill here his. Okay, this ring is his. So question number first completed. Second question. In this, underline the pronouns in the sentences given below and write what type they are. Personal, possessive or demonstrative pronouns. So class, in this question you have to do two things. Firstly, you will underline the pronoun word and then write that which type they are. Okay, they are types. Personal pronouns, possessive pronoun or demonstrative pronoun. Okay. So, first question is, this is Radha's umbrella. Please give it to her. So, in this sentence, this, it and her are pronouns words. So, underline it. And this is a demonstrative pronoun and it and her are personal pronoun. So write here in this line. Next, my uncle gave a toy car to my brother. It is his. So in this sentence, my, here again my, it and his are pronouns word. So underline it. Next thing is my and it are personal pronoun and his possessive pronoun. Okay. Next, Naveen and I bought a football yesterday. It is ours. It is ours. So in these sentences, I, it and ours are pronouns word. So underline it. And I and it are personal pronoun and ours possessive pronoun. Next, those are the books I bought this morning. They are mine. So in these sentences, those I, they, mine are pronouns words. So underline it. And those, demonstrative pronoun. I and they, personal pronoun. And mine, possessive pronoun. Clear? Next, I have finished my work. Did you finish yours? So in these sentences, I, my, you, yours are pronouns word. Okay? I and you, personal pronoun. My and yours, possessive pronoun. Okay? Next, that is the house we live in. We are going to renovate it. Okay, so in these sentences, that, we, again we, it are pronouns word. That, demonstrative pronoun, and we and it, personal pronoun. Okay. Next number, those are Reshma's sandals. They are new. So in these sentences, those, they are pronouns word. Those, demonstrative pronoun, and they, personal pronoun. Okay. This is the bag I carry to school. It is very heavy. So in these sentences, this, I, and it are personal pronoun. Okay. Are pronouns word. So underline it. This is a demonstrative pronoun. I and it are personal pronoun. Clear? So this question is completed. And third question, in this, tick the sentences that are correct and cross the wrong ones. Also, rewrite the wrong sentences correctly. So, in these sentences, you have to firstly look carefully all the sentences. And there are some mistakes in these sentences. You have to correct it. And if the sentence is totally correct, you have to make tick mark. Okay? Just like number first. I and Surgi study in the same school. So this is the wrong sentence. And the correct order is Surbhi and I study in the same school. Okay? Here we'll make a cross. Okay? This is the wrong sentence. And the right sentence is Surbhi and I study in the same school. Clear? Next. Harish shared his lunch with me and Dinah. So this is again wrong sentence. Correct is Harish shared his lunch with Dinah and me. Okay. Next. Anupama and me like to walk to school. So this is again a wrong sentence. Right is Anupama and I like to walk to school. Next, Ardhra and I searched the entire house for the lost book. So class, this is the correct sentence. So we make tick mark on this sentence. Sentence number 4 is correct. Fifth, the manager scolded me and Sarath for coming late to office. So this is again a wrong sentence. Right sentence is the manager scolded Sarath and me, okay, for coming late to office. Next, I and Renu went to see the football match at the Ambedkar Stadium yesterday. So this is again a wrong sentence. Correct way is Renu and I went to see the football match at the Ambedkar Stadium yesterday. Okay. 7th, my father took my brother and I to an amusement park. So again, it is a wrong sentence. Correct sentence is my father took my brother and me, okay, to an amusement park. Last one, Jacob and me saw the film together. So again, it's a wrong sentence. Right sentence is Jacob and I saw the film together. Class, worksheet number 6 completed. Now time to solve worksheet number 7. In this, fill in the blanks in each sentence with the correct word from those given in brackets. Make your own sentence using the word that you have not chosen. So class, you have to complete this worksheet which is based on homophones. Okay. The first sentence is, the listeners yawned because all of them were bored or this bored. So you'll choose bored. Okay. This worksheet is based on homophones. So homophones means similar pronunciation but their spelling and their meaning are different. So in this question you will fill this board, B-O-R-E-D, board. Next, and you will write here another sentence by using the second word which is not chosen. The teacher is writing on the board. यहाँ पे 2 ऑप्शन दिए हैं, एक तो आपने यहाँ फिल कर दिया, दूसरा आपने फिल नहीं किया, उससे एक सेंटेंस बनाना है बाय योर ओन चॉइस. नेक्स्ट, देयर इज अ this hole or this hole in my pocket. So you will choose this hole, H-O-L-E, hole. Okay, and the sentence is, she has eaten the whole cake. This whole means complete. Okay, total. Next, the principal ordered all students to be present in the auditorium after lunch. So you will fill this principal. Okay, Mrs. School principal. And this principal means rules. So the sentence is, these are the principle of law. Next, did you know about the cricket match today? So you will fill here this no, K-N-O-W, no. Okay, and this no means nothing. So sentence is, there is no water in this bucket. Next, I want to check my weight on the machine. So you will choose this weight. Okay, W-E-I-G-S-T, weight. And sentence of the second word, the children wait for their bus. Next, wear loose clothes in summers. So which one you choose? Loose. Okay. And the second word sentence, they lost the match. I want to go dash there with you. So we'll choose there. Okay, I want to go there with you. Class in 7th number, I want to go there or there with you. So in this sentence, you will fill this there, T-H-E-R-E. Okay, and the second word is T-H-E-I-R. So the sentence is, their parents will come today. Okay. Next, what happens in the second scene of the play? So in this, you will fill this scene, S-C-E-N-E, scene. And the second word sentence, I have seen a movie last Sunday. Next, I like the scent of that flower. So you will fill this scent, S-C-E-N-T, means perfume. Okay, and the second word sentence, my father sent a book for me. Next, Vishal knows that person very well. So in this you will fill knows, K-N-O-W-S, knows. And the second word sentence, your nose is too long. Okay, so class, worksheet number 6 and 7 totally completed. So thank you.